one way to solve a problem, but which solution is the best? BYU Weekly reporter Sariah Burdge introduces a new program at BYU that's teaching students how to spot the right choice.
When I came to BYU, I knew that I wanted to work in international development and humanitarian aid and help in some way there, but I had no idea what that meant.
When Pete was started, that was kind of the light bulb to my career interest.
These students are making their passions a reality through a new program at BYU called PETE.
PETE stands for Program Evaluation and Assessment Team, which basically means that it's a group of students and professors, 3 professors on campus, and students that work with a list of client NGOs.
I was with a friend sitting on the beach in Mexico. We were thinking, it's great to see development projects. What skills can we add? And we thought, well, our students are really good at evaluation, at collecting data, analyzing, reporting. So let's see if we can have our students do that.
PETE helps small nonprofit organizations around the world evaluate how well their programs work, and they're doing it for free.
Professors and the students in PETE say, we will provide those services for you pro bono. Like, we're students, we're not necessarily, the most qualified, but we have the skills, we're learning them, so why not put them to use in the real world?
I did an evaluation for Choice Humanitarian and their operation in Mexico specifically.
I went to Kiev, Ukraine with Sariah Burdge, and we were doing a needs assessment of domestic violence.
Before entering the evaluation field, PETE interns take 2 classes where they pick which research tools to use in order to study their nonprofit organization.
It was really difficult in a lot of ways, but incredibly useful in this transition that every student has to make from student to professional, where in the professional world, you're not going to be given instructions on every assignment, and you will be expected to produce quality results.
Applying classroom skills to the real world can be eye-opening, as former PETE student Jeff Swindle learned when he evaluated a goat cheese factory in Mexico.
They just needed an outside perspective to come in and point out what the roadblocks were. And because of the evaluation, the goat cheese factory was able to be a great success. That was kind of the basic idea of PETE. We just wanted to pair students and give them the experience and help NGOs that we were connected with do better.
I'm so excited now that I'm graduating to go and use my skills in the real world and to obtain a career in that, and I'm hoping to do so, and I think that PETE has really helped me to do that.
Sariah Burdge, BYU.